Hi, my name is Romuald Członkowski and I'm the developer behind n8n-MCP. Anthropic has just released something new, Skills. Skills are specialized knowledge modules that teach Claude how to do something like an expert. It's just like a cookbook is teaching a cook how to cook a specialized cuisine. So I created a set of skills for Claude, 7 of them, so that they get invoked when you are working on a specialized workflow. If you have a code node ahead of you and you want Claude to configure that, it will invoke a skill connected with JavaScript or Python and will get all the knowledge that it needs to fulfill your task. With this video, you will learn how to install that in Claude AI, Claude Desktop, or Claude Code, depending on when you are using or where you are using n8n-MCP. Please mind that n8n-MCP is a prerequisite here, as this is telling Claude how to use n8n-MCP better. Please also mind that you need to be on a pro plan with Claude to have access to skills. Okay, let's get down to it. Let's start with Claude Code, as this is the easiest one. So go to your IDE and open Claude and run the plugin command. Then go to Add Marketplace and type the address of the repo. It will be in the description of the video. It will clone the repo. And I have an error here because I already installed that, but you'll have here a marketplace to be chosen from. Okay, then you can go to Manage and Uninstall Plugins. And I have that installed already. And you can see here the plugin with all the skills. Just enable the plugin, and there you go. You have to exit Claude and rerun it. Then when you run the plugin again, manage, you'll see here the skills with all 7 skills. And that's it. Now when you run any command in Claude, it will use the skills. When I ask Claude what skills do you have available, it will check if this is installed and tell you. There you go, 7 skills for n8n building. Let's move to Claude AI and Claude Desktop. This is a little bit more complicated, but still manageable. Bear with me. Go to the repo itself. I will share the address in the description of this video. And then you have 2 rows. You either clone that repository or you go and download from this folder these files one by one. So for example, workflow patterns, you open that, and on the right, you click download raw file, and it will download the skill to your downloads folder. Okay, I will clone the repo. So I go to Code tab here, copy the address, and open Terminal. I go to my downloads folder and type git clone and paste the address. It will clone the repository and it will appear in my downloads folder. n8n-skills. I can then navigate to the dist folder and it's all there. So then let's move to Claude AI. Here, it's actually the same for Claude Desktop and claude.ai, but the settings are in different places. So for Claude AI, you click on your icon and go to Settings and then Capabilities. And the skills are down here. For Claude Desktop, you go to Settings and again, Capabilities. And skills are here. And it's the same. You click Upload Skill, navigate to Downloads, to those skills you downloaded, dist, and you add those one by one. So you add workflow patterns, skill updated, uploaded successfully, and you have it here. That's it. The skill will be already uploaded. When I ask what skills do you have access to, it should list the one skill we just added. So you can see here, it lists n8n workflow patterns. And that will allow you to use n8n-MCP much more efficiently. Well, right now, you don't have access to n8n-MCP in claude.ai, but it's coming. If you'd like to have access to n8n-MCP without installing that on your local machine, please go to n8n-mcp.com and navigate to the bottom of the page and join the waitlist. It's coming soon. I'd like to use this opportunity to thank to my great sponsors on GitHub. They allow me to work on n8n-MCP and on skills now, right now. Thank you very much. Please also consider joining the sponsors list. You can find the link to GitHub sponsors in the description of this video. Thank you. Let me know how it worked for you and if the skills actually improved your experience with n8n-MCP and with Claude building n8n workflows.